Hello everyone! Welcome back to Learn English with Natural Sentences. I'm Ronald.
And I'm Stephanie. We are so happy you are here with us today.
Yes, if you want to speak English in real life, this podcast is for you.
We use simple English, we speak slowly, and we repeat important words.
So you can listen, understand, and speak with confidence.
If you enjoy learning with us, please follow or subscribe. It really helps our channel grow.
All right, let's start today's topic.
Morning routine. Daily life English. Today, we talk about something everyone has, a morning routine.
Yes, a morning routine means the things you do after you wake up.
For example, wake up, brush teeth, drink water, eat breakfast.
These are very common English sentences. You can use them every day.
Listen.
First, just listen. I wake up at 7 a.m. I drink water. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I eat breakfast.
I wake up early. I make tea. I check my phone. I eat a banana. I go to work. Discuss.
Okay, let's talk about the first sentence. I wake up at 7 a.m.
Repeat after us. I wake up.
Again, I wake up.
Good job. Now add time.
I wake up at 7 a.m.
You can change the time.
I wake up at 6 a.m. I wake up at 8 a.m. I wake up at 9 a.m.
Your turn. Say your real time.
Great, you are speaking English already.
Listen again to the full sentence.
I wake up at 7 a.m.
I wake up at 6 a.m. Next phrase, drink water.
Next sentence, I drink water.
This is a very useful sentence.
Drink means you put liquid in your mouth.
Water, tea, milk, coffee, all drinks.
Repeat, I drink water.
Again, I drink water.
Example, I drink water in the morning.
I drink warm water.
I drink cold water.
Very good. Mini dialogue.
Do you drink water in the morning?
Yes, I drink water every morning.
Nice, me too.
Next phrase, brush my teeth.
Now, I brush my teeth.
Brush means clean with a brush.
Teeth, your white teeth in your mouth. Repeat, I brush my teeth.
Again, I brush my teeth.
Morning example, I brush my teeth after I wake up.
I brush my teeth before breakfast.
Both are correct.
Encouragement moment.
If you understand this, you are doing amazing.
Yes, these are real daily sentences.
You are learning how real people speak.
Next, take a shower.
Next phrase, I take a shower.
Shower means washing your body with water.
Repeat, I take a shower.
Again, I take a shower.
Example, I take a shower in the morning.
I take a shower at night.
Both are natural English.
Listen dialogue. When do you take a shower?
I take a shower in the morning.
Nice. I take a shower at night.
Next, eat breakfast.
Now, I eat breakfast.
Breakfast is the first meal of the day. Repeat, I eat breakfast.
Again, I eat breakfast.
Simple examples, I eat bread. I eat eggs. I eat fruit.
My breakfast is simple. My breakfast is a banana.
That sounds healthy.
Natural sentence practice.
Let's say a full routine.
Listen first.
I wake up at 7 a.m. I drink water. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I eat breakfast.
Now you say it.
Slowly.
Great job. New topic. Check my phone.
Many people do this.
Yes. I check my phone.
Check means look at something. Repeat, I check my phone.
Again, I check my phone.
Example, I check my phone in the morning.
I check messages.
I check social media.
Very real life English. Mini dialogue.
Do you check your phone after waking up?
Yes, sometimes.
Me too.
Next, make tea or make coffee.
Now, I make tea.
Or I make coffee.
Make means prepare. Repeat, I make tea.
Again, I make tea.
Example, I make coffee every morning.
I make tea for my family.
Very natural.
Listen routine story. Listen to my morning routine. I wake up at 6 a.m. I drink water. I make tea. I check my phone. I eat breakfast.
Nice and simple.
Student practice moment.
Now you try. Say your morning routine.
Use these words. Wake up, drink, brush, eat, make.
Perfect. You are speaking English.
Encouragement.
Even short sentences are powerful.
Yes, fluency starts with simple sentences.
You are improving already.
Quick review.
Let's review today's phrases.
Repeat with us. I wake up. I drink water. I brush my teeth. I take a shower. I eat breakfast. I check my phone. I make tea.
Amazing work. Real-life dialogue practice.
Let's act a real conversation.
Okay.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 7 a.m.
Nice. What do you do first?
I drink water.
Do you eat breakfast?
Yes, I eat eggs.
Healthy.
Getting ready and leaving home.
All right, let's continue your morning.
Yes! After breakfast, we get ready to go out.
Getting ready means preparing to leave home.
Let's learn simple sentences for this.
Listen.
I get dressed.
I comb my hair.
I pack my bag.
I put on my shoes.
I leave home.
I get dressed quickly.
I comb my hair.
I take my bag.
I wear my shoes.
I go to work.
Discuss get dressed. First phrase, I get dressed.
Get dressed means put on clothes.
Repeat, I get dressed.
Again, I get dressed.
Examples, I get dressed after my shower. I get dressed in my room.
I get dressed for work. I get dressed for school.
Very natural English. Listen again.
I get dressed after breakfast.
I get dressed quickly. Next, comb my hair.
Now, I comb my hair.
Comb means make hair neat.
Repeat, I comb my hair.
Again, I comb my hair.
Examples, I comb my hair in the morning. I comb my hair before I go out.
I comb my hair in the mirror. I comb my hair in the mirror. Mini dialogue.
Do you comb your hair every day?
Yes, I comb my hair every morning.
Good habit.
Next, pack my bag.
Next phrase, I pack my bag.
Pack means put things inside.
Repeat, I pack my bag.
Again, I pack my bag.
Examples, I pack my bag for work. I pack my bag for school. I pack my lunch. I pack my notebook.
Listen dialogue. What do you pack in your bag?
I pack my phone, keys, and notebook.
Same for me. Next, put on my shoes.
Now, I put on my shoes.
Put on means wear.
Repeat, I put on my shoes.
Again, I put on my shoes.
Examples, I put on my shoes near the door. I put on my shoes before I leave.
I put on my black shoes. I put on my sports shoes.
Natural note. People also say, I wear my shoes.
Both are correct. Next, take my bag.
Next sentence, I take my bag.
Repeat, I take my bag.
Again, I take my bag.
Examples, I take my bag and phone. I take my bag to work.
Next, leave home.
Now, I leave home.
Leave means go out.
Repeat, I leave home.
Again, I leave home.
Examples, I leave home at 8 a.m. I leave home early.
I leave home late.
Listen full routine.
Listen to a full getting ready routine. I get dressed. I comb my hair. I pack my bag. I put on my shoes. I take my bag. I lock the door. I leave home.
Now you say it.
Slowly.
Wait, great speaking. New, lock the door.
Very important sentence. I lock the door.
Lock means close with a key.
Repeat. I lock the door.
Again, I lock the door.
Examples. I lock the door before I leave. I lock the door every day.
Safety first. Mini dialogue.
Do you lock your
Lock my door.
Good.
New, wait for the bus.
Now let's go outside.
Phrase, I wait for the bus.
Wait means stay until something comes.
Repeat, I wait for the bus.
Again, I wait for the bus.
Examples, I wait for the bus at the stop. I wait for the bus every morning.
I wait with my friends.
New, take the bus.
Next, I take the bus.
Repeat, I take the bus.
Again, I take the bus.
Examples, I take the bus to work. I take the bus to school.
I take the bus at 8:30.
Alternative, walk to work.
Some people walk.
Phrase, I walk to work.
Repeat, I walk to work.
I walk to school.
I walk to the bus stop.
Commute dialogue.
How do you go to work?
I take the bus.
Nice. I walk to work.
That is healthy. Full leaving home story.
Listen to my full leaving home routine. I get dressed. I comb my hair. I pack my bag. I put on my shoes. I take my bag. I lock the door. I leave home. I walk to the bus stop. I take the bus.
Very clear and natural. Student practice.
Now your turn. Say your leaving home routine.
Use these words: dress, pack, shoes, leave, bus, walk.
You're doing great.
Encouragement.
These are real-life sentences.
You can use them today.
English is becoming part of your day.
Quick review.
Repeat with us. I get dressed. I comb my hair. I pack my bag. I put on my shoes. I take my bag. I lock the door. I leave home. I wait for the bus. I take the bus.
I walk to work.
Excellent.
Real conversation practice.
Let's talk.
Okay, what do you do after breakfast?
I get dressed and pack my bag.
Do you walk or take the bus?
I take the bus.
Nice. Wrap up. Today, we learned morning routine English.
You learned real sentences people use every day.
Try to use these sentences tomorrow morning.
Speak out loud. It really helps.
Before we finish, we have a question for you.
Tell us in the comments.
What time do you wake up?
And what is your breakfast?
We love reading your answers.
Thank you for learning with us today.
See you in the next episode.
Bye.